At 1.62, we believe in the natural beauty and balance found in the golden ratio. We strive to create products that enhance your unique features while respecting the natural proportion of the face and body. Our commitment to the golden ratio means that every product is carefully crafted with a focus on balance and harmony, helping you feel confident and beautiful both inside and out. Introducing our expertly formulated Niacinamide 4% cream with Aloe Vera, Vitamin E, and Hyaluronic Acid, formulated for radiant and nourished skin. Step 1. Place 1 to 2 palms in the palm of your hand and pat between fingertips. Step 2. Apply and press onto clean skin every morning and evening. Transform your skin with our Niacinamide cream. It smooths fine lines, deeply hydrates, and soothes for a flawless, healthy glow. 1.62, helping you feel confident and beautiful.